Getting started with Embodied Labs. Thank you for choosing Embodied Labs. With our immersive platform, you can begin transforming the way you care today. Let's get started. Kit components. Release both latches to open the lid of your protective case. The main compartment holds your headset, laptop, and other accessories, while the lid pockets hold the Leap motion sensor and cables. The items you will need to complete your setup are a headset sensor, a Leap motion sensor, a USB-C to USB adapter, a USB-C to HDMI cable, an optional HDMI extender cable if included in your specific kit, and finally, beneath the protective bottom layer of the case, your laptop. In addition to these main items, you will find useful accessories like the lens cleaning cloth to keep your lenses smudge-free, hygienic wipes to sanitize the leather face cover between multiple users, a Bluetooth mouse, special prototype glasses with our founder story, and buttons to give to staff after completing their training. Your kit may also come with a speaker for group mode and a bag of extra sensors and controllers that are not needed for your Embodied Labs setup, but may be useful for other programs. Kit setup. First, find a clear, open space to set up your Embodied Lab station, like an office or conference room. Your table should be about 3 feet across and located near a power source. Plug your laptop into a nearby outlet. The laptop must be connected to power at all times to run the labs. Next, slide your Leap motion sensor into the shelf mounted on the front of the headset and connect the USB cable into the side using the colored dots to guide you. Plug in the headset sensor and rotate it so that the shiny side is facing you. Then, connect the HDMI and USB cables from the headset to the laptop. Again, use the colored dots as a guide. Your kit may have an HDMI extender attached to the headset like this. You can plug this into the HDMI port of your laptop as is. This completes the VR setup for individual mode. Well done. Kit setup, group mode. In group mode, multiple people can watch and listen to your Embodied Labs experience. To share your screen, use the USB-C to HDMI cable to connect the laptop to a monitor, projector, or TV. To share sound, connect the external speaker. Now you're ready for group mode. Getting in the headset, launching Embodied Labs. Now that everything is connected, you're ready to launch Embodied Labs. Sign in and select a lab. You'll find pre- and post-assessments available to help you measure how labs impact your learners. By default, your assessments will include common questions for your organization type. To customize these assessments, please contact your Embodied Labs representative. There will also be introductory content to prepare learners for each lab. If you are using group mode, change your audio source after the Prepare section by clicking on the speaker icon on your desktop menu. Next, make some space around you. Finally, put on the headset using the adjustable straps. Your experience will automatically begin. Now that you know how to set up and use Embodied Labs, share the experience with your organization and transform the way you care today.